I believe designers have far critical role to play as perceived in the betterment to serve the world, to make it more ethical, inclusive, and sustainable place to live happily.
Welcome back friends to the next video. Myself Anshuman Kumar, a red dot winning product designer, and today I'm going to talk about some circular aspect of the design principles. And here we go, let's begin.
The circular design methods and systemic design tools at disposal for designers equips and empowers them to solve highly complex issues like that of global warming and socioeconomic problems. Conceiving a product from its first step to end of its life in a more sustainable, regenerative, ethical and efficient way must be the motto of every designer or any organization across the globe. And as a designer, I believe that this could be easily achieved by ending the linear economic model, which is take, make, consume, dispose of, and by creating new value opportunities through recycling, extending the product life cycle, boosting renewable source of uses, and supporting rental instead of selling. So design is more and more central to the success of any modern businesses. Designers are no longer brought in at the end of the process just to beautify or make things look prettier, but rather are providing essential insights ground up. Given said that in the coming years, machine learning will enable computers to make the kinds of aesthetic choices that we as humans make today. Well, this opens a vast opportunity for designers as a creative directors for these AI engines to train them well without giving homogeneous or biased output. Well, but can machine achieve this? Can AI be as evolving or fickle as humans? Well, the answer lies in the coming future from today's actions. With this note, I rest with these questions and thoughts. If you have any further questions or queries, please do reach out to me on my Instagram design profile @anshuman22 or connect me over on LinkedIn.
So that's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.